Hi, I'm here and I'm going to show you another way to get more out of your two-step bird punch. It's a beautiful punch and it makes a typical bird like this, which I love, but if there's another way to multi-purpose, we love that too. And here I made this flower out of this punch, and I'll show you how to do that in this video. Punch out some of the wings, which is the petals. And then I am going to give them some texture and dimension, I am going to just run them along the ink, and I'm using pink Purette paper and Pretty in Pink ink. So it's a little darker, and then I'll do that with this one as well. And then this one I'm going to use for the bud, so I'm going to make this one a little darker. I want it to be, since most buds are darker in color. Well, depends on the variety, I guess, but this variety is going to be. And I already did some other ones. And now I'm going to use my 3/4 inch punch for the background, and I'm just going to use some scrap paper I have, and I'm going to use snail and cover it all with snail. Now these petals are on the smaller side, so I think the snail will hold it fine instead of using glue dots for everything. And then these can go right in the middle, and sometimes I will poke or put a pencil mark on where the center is, and these just line up together quite nicely. And then for my center, I am going to use a scrap piece of Pretty in Pink and punch that out with my 1/2 inch circle, and just use snail to adhere that right in the center. And there's my petal, and then it's easy just to put on the paper. And then next we use the bird punch to punch out the leaves and another wing, and another one. As you can see, I use this one to make the original copy up there. Okay. And then I am going to, what I did is I just cut in to make it so that you can see the pink. And these are the scissors that we have, and they make a very nice point, and you can use them all the way to the end. And then for the branch set, I just come and snip away the leaf, the end leaf, so I can use it. And then I'm using the 2-way glue. You could also use snail because this is a big area too. And just place it right on top. And there's your bud. There's your bud. And then I'm also going to use the pink Pirouette to make the little bud. Cut this off. So I'm just going to place this right on the end where I need it and make the little bud. So now things are sticking to me because I used the glue. And then I'll place, since that came across and made a straight line, I don't need to trim it, but if it got a little more than I had intended, I would just trim it. And then I'm going to darken darken this, although I should wait until it's dry. I can do more later if I want. All right, and then I need one more branch, so I'll do one more. And then I can start to set everything on my paper. And you can play with this and use it as you will. I'm trimming this because it's a little longer than I need. And then just set this up. And then for my flower, I just use some Stampin' Dimensionals. Oops, got an extra one there. And then you kind of want the Stampin' Dimensionals to go on the other side, either side of the branches, so they don't go too much vertical height. And so then here's what I ended up with, and here's the finished product. I just added some Baja Breeze seam binding, and then Just For You at the top with the decorative label punch, and the framed tulips embossing folder on the outside with the Baja Breeze cardstock. Thanks for watching. You can find out more at www.etelstra.stampinup.net. Thanks for watching.